It's funny you make YouTube videos and guys that have no channel, don't do nothing, want to talk smack and tell you how shitty your videos are. We're not making nothing on this. We're not monetized. We're not like the big guys. We'd like to be. We'd like to make money on it. But we don't. So it's real easy to get on there and be a tough guy on the computer and talk shit to everybody when you don't ever do it yourself. You don't get out here and do anything. You stay out sitting on your fat ass on your couch and don't do anything. And you hear even the big guys, you hear them saying, yeah, the comment section, they're tearing them up. Well, you know what? Until you get out here and do it yourself, keep your snide comments to yourself. Instead of being a couch cowboy. I hope this one holds. I drilled the hole a little bit big. We may end up having to grind it off like we did that other side. It looks like it's going in. By the way, when we hit 300 subscribers, we're going to pick a random subscriber and do a little giveaway. It won't be anything major, but we're going to do something to show y'all we appreciate it. So we'll pick a random subscriber when we hit 300, and we'll send you a little something. And then when we hit 500, we'll probably do it again. If we hit 300 and if we hit 500. I measured these. I probably should have measured them off of this, but I measured them off of this, and they're different. So that's something else that the comments can say that we did wrong. But that's fine. It don't matter if it's good comments or bad comments. The algorithm doesn't know the difference. It doesn't read them. All it knows is it's getting attention. Shows it to more people. Oh yeah, that one fits good. So if you're still with us, subscribe, and you might be that one that's picked. You don't have to be the 300th, but once we hit 300, we're going to do a random drawing, and it won't be anything major. We pay for everything. Like I said, we don't have sponsorships and all that kind of stuff, but we'll get you something. We'll send you a little something. We kind of got an idea of what we're going to send now. You know, another thing that I noticed too is you got all these guys on YouTube making videos. Oh, this is how you get subscribers, and this is how you get monetized, and this is how you get views. And if you'll subscribe to our channel, if you'll give us, yada yada, and do this and do that, come to our private class that we're giving, we'll make sure you get it. Well, I tell you what, get on there and look at one of their videos and look how many views it's got. And it'll probably be, hundreds of thousands, if not a million. That's how many people are putting videos out, watching these videos. And you can do everything they say, and it may help you. I don't know. I've tried some of them and didn't seem to do me any good. But, and I'm sure there's a bunch of them that really mean what they're saying. They really want to help out, but I guarantee you there's a bunch of them that don't give a rat's ass. All they're there is to get you to watch their video and make them more money off of it, because they got 1 million views off of video. And they're making, $100,000 a month because of it. I don't know. It may not be 100,000 a month. They're making a pretty penny. Look at some of the houses they live in. And there you go. There's the installation of the other two D rings, and we're done. We'll talk to y'all next time. Wonka.